What's in that one?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? All over the grass?
Empty. And on the deck. On the deck.
Everything 5 times.
Hey!
Did you find another one?
Come help me find them.
Oh, it's you who have to find them.
Nothing in this one.
Nothing? Are you sure?
Open it up and see.
Yep. Here it is.
What's in there? It looks like licorice.
Empty.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You gotta open it up to make sure.
$1.
There's $1?
See?
The Easter Bunny gave you $1?
What $1?
Show Uncle Brody what's in there.
Yeah, what you got? Whoa, you're rich.
How many?
More dollars?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at my big bike, Uncle Frody.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man.
I ride it.
What's in there, buddy?
What?
What's in there?
Why did you get a bike?
Look, Trev. What's in there?
Easter egg in there.
In your helmet?
Look at the Easter egg.
You left the egg in your helmet? What a funny Easter Bunny.
Look, Trev, look at your grill.
Why'd you get a bike?
Cause my little one is too little.
No, but why? What's today?
Today, buddy.
Easter bunny.
Someone
No.
else. Why did you have cupcakes at daycare?
Guys,
Because why?
What's today? Today is your...
birthday.
Yeah.
How old are you?
4.
Must got them all.
You got 'em
I'm
all.
gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 left.
I think you counted some twice.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 19, 21, 22, 'Can't focus.
You need some help?
Got it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 12, 13, 14, 16, 16, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 20, 30, 2012, 13, 14, 16.
You have too many eggs.
So happy Easter.
Yeah, happy Easter.